So let me ask you a question. When you say write a script, do you actually write it?
I do write it. I
Okay.
do write it. Sometimes, oh, and here's a really great thing. If you're writing longhand, which a lot of people who write, they want that yellow pad. They're just writing and writing and
Yeah.
writing. But now you can just take a picture
Yeah.
of that yellow pad or whatever I never knew that, and take a picture, upload it to chat and say, make sense out of all of this. Oh my goodness. And it makes sense out of all. You can still, of course, read it, tighten it yourself, take out what doesn't apply. And now you're scripted.
One of the things I learned in Toastmasters years ago is that the danger in writing a script
Mm,
and then you stand up and you give the speech based on your written script is that most people write differently than they speak. So one of the challenges was early on, if you were going to write a script, you got to write it like you can speak it. So with the age of technology, what I do now, I take my phone or my laptop. I'm an Apple guy, so I open up Pages. I've got Whisper Flow. I really love Whisper Flow. It's a new software
yeah.
program, kind of expensive, $150 a year, I think. But boy, I use it all the time. So anyway, I open up Pages with no notes. I've got an idea what I want to talk about, and I just start speaking as if I was on camera about the topic. And I sometimes I'll end up with 4 or 5 thousand words or more. That's a script, but I didn't write it. I spoke it. That's what I drop back into Chat GPT. I use that also. Kind of the same kind of a prompt that you have, because when you're speaking stream of consciousness like that, it and you don't have notes in front of you, it's going to be all disorganized
Right.
probably. So I ask AI to reorganize it in a flow for me, but I specifically say, do not rewrite anything and put anything into your words. I want my words. I think that's the key. The I think going forward, the algorithm and a lot of Google's got a lot of stuff right now that they're identifying what they call spam, and then they can identify certain words that AI uses a lot. And,
Yeah.
and and I've had AI rewrite stuff for me, and they have even when it writes it in my own voice, they're triggering phrases and things
Yeah.
that it's prone to. So
Yes.
I'm careful about doing that, but
Mhm.
that's a good process. So do you use it at all for research and some other things?
I use AI hours a day,
Yeah.
hours a day. And like you do, Mike, I find that when I'm out walking, if it's, especially if it's a beautiful day, I've just got my phone and I've got chat open, Chat GPT,
Yeah.
and I'm talking to chat and I'm just doing a brain dump.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
I'll think about this, or I'll think, even in church, if I'm in church, oh, that's a good sentence. I'm going to use that sentence. And I just put it into chat. So easy.
Well, yeah, I love the voice both on my phone and on I have desktop and then the web version and then on my phone.
Sure.
But I find myself all the time just I've got it on my side button on my phone, so I just push it and I'm right into talking to Chat GPT. And I have discovered that uh I have it interview me a lot. One of the things that I've discovered, I don't know who I learned this from, some other guru, but asking Chad to interview. I'm thinking about doing this topic. Can you interview me? What you know about me? And so it begins to ask me questions that I wouldn't have even
Oh.
thought of, which is a great